Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can report a group in Google Groups. For instance, if you're a member of the given group and you have witnessed, for example, something that is worth reporting in the given group, you can do that here on Google Groups. So let us show you how it's done. So let us get started. Head over to Google Groups, log into your account, select My Groups here, and click into the group you believe needs to be reported. So I'm going to go with this one here I created for demonstration purposes. So here, click into it, and here in the overview of the given group, for example, under the conversations tab to the left, you will see that small information button in the top right. It's not information, it's an exclamation mark, sorry. And then you will see that field here, so you can report the given group to Google, and Google will then review your submit and decide whether the group needs to be, I don't know, taken down or something like that. So what you want to do is select one of these reasons here, like spam or other or something like that, and then click into submit report. Now I'm not going to report my own group, of course, but that's how it works. And then Google will review it and let you know of the decision. If they need more information about the reporting, they may contact you as well. And actually, I don't think you get notified of their decision, but you will see it anyway if the group is still online and you're still there and it's still searchable on Google Groups. The group hasn't been taken down, and if you can't access it anymore, you either have been banned or removed from it, or the group has been removed by Google Groups after your reporting. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.